Welcome all, this is Dr. Malathi, HOD of EC Department of Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences. I would like to give a brief intro about the department and faculty members, our strength both in academics as well as research. The vision of Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences is it aspires to be the premier university of choice in Asia for student-centric professional education and services with a strong focus on applied research while maintaining highest academic and ethical standards in a creative and innovative environment. And the mission of the Department of EC especially are to impart quality education to students and make them employable, to motivate students and transform their innovative ideas to excel as an entrepreneur, to enhance intellectual growth and cater the national needs of defense, space and healthcare research laboratories. When you see the overview of EC department, the Department of EC impart knowledge on design, development, application of electronic devices, communication systems. Department offers an undergrad program in BTech, postgraduate program in the field of VLSI and nanotechnology, and also PhD program in various research areas. We impart strong theoretical foundation and practical skill to the study at various core common courses. In addition to that, we have wide spectrum of elective courses with which the students will be sharpened in technical expertise and the graduates on the recent advances and innovation in electronics and communication field. The PG and PhD students are encouraged to undertake various research projects in Techno Center present in the university campus, and apart from that they have been encouraged very much to go for internship at various organizations such as ISRO and DRDO. The department has well qualified and technically proficient faculty with a rich blend of academic and industrial as well as research background. RUAS has established a niche for interdisciplinary research to promote technology development process through inventions and innovations on the thrust areas of interest among the scholars as well as the faculty members. The diversified expertise available in the campus encourages the students, scholars and researchers for their active participation in the sponsored research projects. At Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences, we have 21 research centers to focus on applied research activities in multi-core specialization as well as cross-domain in engineering, medical, pharma and health sciences. The infrastructural facilities and laboratories are in continuous update to the research needs developed across ongoing and forthcoming focused research activities. Continuously attracts sponsored projects from various funding private organizations across the country, and the deliverables are very well recognized by the research fraternities across the nation. In RUAS, we have a student-centric IEEE branch, and in which faculty members as well as students are participating, and they are EXICOM members as well as they are participating in various competitions. And I welcome any further questions, and please drop a mail, and you can contact our university office for further details regarding UG, PG or PhD admission.